Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing methamphetamine, which I would think most people would presume that would be illegal here in Thailand, notwithstanding there's been a lot of news surrounding cannabis in Thailand and the legalization thereof. Methamphetamine is still very much illegal in Thailand, and quite honestly, authorities are taking steps to have even more stringent law enforcement response to issues involving methamphetamine, which brings me to the reason I thought of making this video after I was reading an article in the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com, quote, intent to supply, unquote, meth law to be stepped up, Anutin. Quoting directly, the Ministry of Public Health's Committee on Drug Rehabilitation will proceed to amend a ministerial regulation and charge anyone who is found in possession of more than one tablet of a methamphetamine pill with the offense of dealing in illegal narcotics. The move comes after Public Health Minister Anutin Charnvirakul said on Sunday the ministry would be revising the law and taking legal action against any wrongdoers. So what we're talking about here, to kind of distill it and analogize it into something akin to, American law, if you will, because that's kind of where my background is at. Basically, possession of 2 methamphetamine tablets would basically result not in a citation for possession of an illegal substance, but possession with what we would call possession with intent to distribute in a U.S. context, in a sort of a common law U.S. context. That's sort of how I look at this. So if you have more than one methamphetamine tablet, you're going to be charged with intent, not only with possession, but also with intent. And that's pretty substantial. It's looking at substantial jail time associated with that. This is going back when I remember reading an article where the Minister of Justice at the time was talking about the efforts to relax cannabis laws and talking about it in the context of other types of drugs. He basically said, look, we don't really want to waste resources going after cannabis when there's really serious drugs that cause serious social problems and kill people and do all kinds of terrible things to society. We want to focus on that. And it looks like, again, this is Anutin. This is the, public health minister who on the one hand has shown some laxity when it comes to the issue of cannabis, but clearly when it comes to the issue of methamphetamine, there is no laxity. There is no wiggle room, if you will. Thailand takes methamphetamine very seriously, and those who are caught engaging in either possessing it in virtually any amount at this point, other than just an absolutely minimal amount, they're going to be treated harshly by the law. And even those just found in possession of it are going to have some real problems under Thai law. So the thing to take away from this video is, well, one, don't get involved with methamphetamine in Thailand. That's just a given. But also understand Thai police and law enforcement authorities are taking measures to step up what was already a pretty stringent regime. They're going to tighten it up even further.